Hi everyone, welcome to our English lesson for beginners. Today, we'll cover some basic English sentences that you can use in your daily conversations. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? What is your name? What is your name? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? Where are you from? What do you do for a living? What do you do for a living? How old are you? How old are you? What time is it? What time is it? Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? These are just a few basic sentences to get you started with your English language learning journey. Practice them daily and you'll be able to communicate effectively in English in no time.